In this video, I want to show you some advanced features of discussion forums. So in order to change some of those advanced features, what I need to do first of all is turn editing on. So once I've turned editing on, I want to scroll down to create add an activity or resource. I click there. Then I go to forum and I click on the forum button and then add. So once I do that, then I can change the add a forum name. I'm just going to say sample here. And I'm going to say, what do you think of my sample discussion forum? I can click display description on the course page if I so desire. It's here at this particular point that you can select the forum type. So where it says forum type, you want to go and select. When you click on the arrow, it will bring up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of discussions or a forum. So I generally pick a single simple discussion. When you do that, it will display the discussion post so that all of the posts are then visible. The next thing that you want to do, let's just go down and look at some of the different options that you have. Attachments and word count. Here you can specify how many attachments you want the students. So by clicking on minimum number of attachments, clicking on that arrow, you can actually select 0. If you do not want them to upload an attachment, then you can go down to subscription, choose your options there. Then post threshold for blocking. The standard and the default is don't block. Then in grade category, you can click uncategorized, or you can see here that well, you can't see. I don't think that I can choose assignments, devotions, discussion, final exam, or final project. Typically on this particular one, I would pick discussion. Then I would come down below, click on ratings. And typically I like doing the sum of ratings because typically what I'm doing is I'm having students post say 3 posts per week in each discussion, and I give them about 15 points maximum for the first or initial post. And then for subsequent posts, I give them 7 for a subsequent post, 7 and 8 points. So for a total of 30 points. So that's what I would do here. I would set the maximum number of points at 30. And then you can check the other default settings as well to see if that's what you want. And so I'm going to leave those default settings as they are. And then I want to come down and click Save and Return to Course. Save and return to course. And you can see now I have a discussion forum. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And of course I don't have any students in this particular class, but what I can do is I can, once I log into the course to grade, I can pick any number by selecting the arrow next to this display right here. It will tell me displays flat with oldest first, displays flat with newest first, displays replies in a threaded form, and then displays replies in a nested form. And so you can, when you come into the forum, you can make those choices about which one of those. I typically leave it with the oldest first. And that way, when I go into a forum to mark or to grade their discussions or discussion posts, then what I do is I will have them to, I will be able to see those in the order that they appear. And that way I can, some of them I may have already graded. Then it's only left up to me to grade or to mark the new ones that I have not seen since the last time I entered that particular form. So once that is done, you can then go back to the course, and I'll do that by clicking on the unit code of the course, and then you want to turn editing off, and those are some of the advanced features of discussion forums. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Thanks, and have a good day.